Hi! In front of me is Tecno Spark Go 2022, and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode. You need to begin by opening Tab menu. Now look for one-handed mode shortcut, and when you find it, click on it. As you can see, my screen is now smaller. If you wish to change placement of it, click on this icon on one of its sides. If you wish to go back though, just tap on this X at the top. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!